Hey everyone, welcome to our casual English chat. I'm John from Seattle in the USA, and with me today is my good friend.
Hi guys, I'm Emma from Boston. Nice to meet you all. John, it's so good to see you again. How's your morning going?
Pretty good, Emma. I just had a nice cup of coffee and walked my dog. The sun is out today. It feels great. What about you? How's your day starting?
Oh, it's nice. I woke up early and had breakfast outside. The air is cool. Hey, you know what I was thinking about this morning? Social anxiety. I felt it a little yesterday when I went to the store. Do you ever feel that way?
All the time. Social anxiety is when your heart beats fast and you worry about talking to people, right? I feel it at parties or when I meet someone new. Last week, I went to a friend's birthday party and stood by the wall for 10 minutes. I was so nervous.
Me too. I remember my first day at a new job. Everyone was saying hello, and I just smiled and said almost nothing. My face got red. But later, a coworker said, I was nervous too. It made me feel better. We're not alone, right?
Exactly. Most people feel nervous sometimes. It's normal. I have a funny story. One time, I tried to talk to a girl at a coffee shop. I wanted to say, "Hi, I like your book," but I got so anxious I said, "Hi, I like your, shoes." We laughed, and she laughed and said thank you. We talked for 10 minutes. It turned out okay.
That's cute. Mistakes can be funny. When I feel anxious, I take 3 deep breaths. It helps slow my heart. I also ask easy questions like, how are you? Or do you like coffee? It makes talking simpler.
Great tips. I do that too. And I remind myself people are thinking about themselves, not about me. So if I say something silly, they forget in 2 seconds. What helps you the most, Emma?
Smiling helps a lot. Even if I'm nervous inside, a smile makes me feel braver. And practice. I started saying hi to one new person every week. Now it's easier. Last month, I joined a small English club. At first, I was scared, but everyone is kind.
That's awesome. Small steps are the best. Social anxiety gets smaller when we practice a little every day. You're not shy, you're just careful, and that's okay.
Thanks, John. You're right. It feels good to talk about it. Listeners, if you feel nervous talking to people, you're not alone. Start small. Say hello to someone today. Practice your English in the comments. Tell us your story. We read every comment.
Yes, share with us. It will help you and help others feel brave. Emma, this chat was so nice. Thank you.
You too, John. It made my day better. Everyone, take it easy today. You're doing great. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care.